Hey guys, welcome back to brightnighttech. My name is Berto, and today we're looking at the MAONO portable USB microphone kit. We'll go ahead and start with an unboxing, and then we'll take a look at what it can do. So let's get started. Alright, we got the box right here. It has the microphone picture right on top. Very nice box. Has the model number right there. This is kind of cool. It gives you the frequency response and polar patterns of it, which I don't always see on these microphones, so that's kind of cool. Let's go ahead and open it up. See what we got. Alright, first of all, we have a card so you can get some support or troubleshooting if you need any help, which is really cool when companies do that just right off the bat. It's the first thing you see in the box. Next thing we have is the manual. Gives you all the instructions. This thing is so straightforward though if you're really unclear about stuff. Alright, we got the spongy foam cover there, and this is the microphone itself. Beautiful microphone, very light. It's not made out of anything super heavy, but it does feel sturdy nonetheless, even though it is so light. Alright, we have a port there for a USB cable. We have a stand and the holder for the microphone. And here is the provided USB cable. Alright, let's go ahead and put this thing together. Alright, so here we have the microphone. Let's go ahead and take this ring holder. So you want to make sure the little round twisty part is pointing down. Put it on there. You're going to screw it on tightly. And that's it on that. Next, you want to align it there. Loosen that, point it down. Next thing is you're going to put in the little stand. So there's this ring right here. You have to remove that before putting in the stand. So there we go. We're gonna tighten that on there just like that. Perfect. Open it up, and that's it. Super easy to get going. You want to tighten that up to make sure you got it at the right angle and that it's gonna stay. And then of course you have the USB cable that will connect to the bottom to it, and the other side to your computer. Now here's the thing about this. This whole time I've been doing this part of the review, I've been using the microphone to do the voiceover. I've been using the MAONO microphone to do this whole thing. So you can kind of get an idea of what it sounds like. It sounds pretty great. I'm doing very minimal cleanup, just the basic stuff that I always do, but I really didn't have a whole ton to do. You can put this part on. It is optional, but if you don't have a pop filter and you want just a little better resistance so you're not popping those peas, you can absolutely use it. So let's do another test. Alright, now because during this whole video I've been using this microphone for the voiceover, you guys pretty much got an idea for how it handles that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to play an instrument and see how it handles that audio. So I have my microphone pointed down a little bit, so it's pointed at my guitar, and I'm not going to clean up this audio at all. So it's going to be raw audio. I'm not going to do anything with Audacity to make it sound nicer, okay? So you guys can kind of make up your own minds about how you think it sounds. So I think it sounds pretty good. You guys decide, make up your own minds, but I would definitely use this to record music in the future. Alright, you can pick up this mic from Amazon right now for $27.99. That is an amazing price. Alright, so my overall thoughts on the MAONO portable USB microphone kit is that it's fantastic. If you want to get started doing podcasts, music, anything like that, you don't want to spend a whole lot of money right away, this is the perfect microphone to use. So simple, You just plug and play, you're good to go. It's not like other condenser mics where you have to have adapters, you have to have phantom power. I have other condenser mics that I use, and this one is by far one of the best working ones. The quality of the sound is great. You can hear it in my voice right now. It's very clear. I barely had to do any cleanup. I just do it for the sake of the professionalism of the sound of this. Unfortunately, I'm not a great musician, but it at least gives you kind of an idea of how it handles instruments. The fact that it has a physical gain knob on it is great. So this is an absolute buy. Highly recommend it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and put it in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button for notifications, and we will see you next time.